Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to easily change the name of a project in the Asana app. If you manage multiple projects, keeping your project names organized is essential. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to update any project name. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Navigate to the project you wish to manage. Next, tap on the three dots located at the top right of the project screen. Then, from the menu that appears, click on Edit to access the project settings. You will see a field labeled Name, where the current project name is displayed. Now type in the new name you want for your project. Take a moment to ensure that the new name is clear and descriptive, so it's easy for your team to understand. Finally, after entering the new name, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Your project name will now be updated, and everyone in your team will see the new name immediately. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful.